What's up, guys? Quarantine Cruise 26, if you can believe it. I don't know how many I've been to, 6 or 7. So I guess the first person to tell me how many I've been to, just search how many Quarantine Cruise videos I've done, and you get 10 bonus points. So, but all seriousness, Quarantine Cruise 26. I'm looking forward to it. I'm right behind here. So we'll walk down some cars, check out what's going on. And the most important thing is the cruise. So I have 2 cameras set up. There's gonna be hundreds of cars around me, so I can't wait to see what we capture. So kick back, relax. Oh, and by the way, let me know what your favorite car is. Leave a comment. Be right back. I rarely film my own car, so here it is. Those of you that have not seen it, my dad bought this brand new, and then I restored it. So hence the channel, because it's all how-to projects, as you guys know. This is Ken's. I'll leave a link in the description.
Yeah, they're mixing it up, I guess.
But this build is bad. Look at this interior. It's a nice little gem. I love this car. Might be the next project one day. Maybe my son turns 16. So that's like 10 years from now. Another sleeper. Nice and clean. This is a Ford Torino. How badass is this thing?
Oh, I like this thing.
Wow. This is Rick's badass Camaro. Sorry, I know my shadow's in the shot, guys. Calm down. But I love his build. He also built it himself, which mad props to anyone who does that, right? I think I told you guys, I now love trucks. And this thing is like, woo! One of my favorites. Hope this gives you guys some ideas. Gotta love keeping it simple. I don't know the owner yet, but I think I saw him last cruise. Nice and clean. Well done. 70s mirrors like mine. Stock-ish interior. Looks badass. Even classic Ferraris. Almost classic. All right, Jose, I got you. Looking good. 67 Firebird. Keep at it, my friend. Keep at it. Great meeting you. Interesting color on this car. It's like grayish purple. I know it's hard to tell on video, but man, pretty cool. I won't say it's gray, but I swear I can see purple in it. Some tri-power action. Oh yeah. Gotta love forced induction. It might be the next major project. If I'm not mistaken, this is like 570 cubic inches. I'll have to look it up. Oh, I'm sorry. There's the number. 632. Holy hell. so clean. Hell yes. Look at this.
That's kind of like it. I like that. That's nice.
Whew. Oh my God. Damn. Hell yeah, Manny. Here we go, guys. Cruise time. Looks awesome. Looks great. I'm getting on my camera right here. And right here. Looks great. I'm getting on my camera right here. And right here, so. Nice. We're at the meetup spot. Sorry, my glasses are on, the sun's out. It's freaking hot, but I'm parked in the middle of town. Look at that. So let's take a walk around. Because the green is popping. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks good. Whew. Here it is again. Doesn't get old. So everything's welcome here at the Quarantine Cruise. Everything. Watch. I don't know if this is going to fit on the lift, but man, how fun would that be? My son would love it. Nice row of badass builds here. Eric's 69 right there. Sean's LS7 Grand Am. Ooh, I love that gray. Badass truck build. No shit. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that green GTO back there. That's mine. My dad was the original owner. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dave Castle. I love the color combo. Gold. With the monster drop. Love it. Alright, this venue is really cool because it's like a little town built like around a German village-esque. And we parked all of our cars in the street, so I'm gonna walk through. There you go, just having fun. Weren't those cars crazy? I love that cruise. It's 100 miles for me to get there and back. So it's quite a haul for me, but it's so much fun. I wish I could do it more often. If you're in Southern California and you want to attend a cruise, hit up the Cruise and PCH link right below. It's on Instagram. My favorite truck, I didn't say car, I did say truck. That burgundy truck was awesome. I couldn't believe it. It was popping. I don't have the details, I apologize, but if you got 500 grand to spend, that's probably what I would do. Other thing is I just had hats made. You guys probably know that. If I've ever helped you out in the past, consider getting a hat. I know they're not super low cost, but it'll help the channel, help support FMG, represent FMG, and have fun with your hobby. Lastly, moving forward, I have a couple projects lined up. One is chassis stiffening. I've been threatening that for a while because I have an autocross event coming up. I don't know if I have time to get it done before the autocross event, so I don't know which video is coming next after this one. So be patient, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.